In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use email marketing automation in GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started with the basics. Email marketing automation can significantly enhance your marketing efforts, saving you time and allowing you to reach your audience more effectively. GetResponse is a powerful tool that can help you achieve this. First, you'll want to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to create an account. Once you're in, you'll see the user-friendly dashboard, which will be your command center for creating and managing your campaigns. Now, let's navigate to the Automation tab in the menu. This section is where all the magic happens. It's here you can create automated email workflows that will send messages based on user behavior, customer segments, or specific timeframes. To create your first automation, click on the Create Workflow button. You'll be presented with several pre-designed automation templates. You can choose one that fits your needs, or you can start from scratch for a more customized approach. If you're just starting out, I suggest choosing a template that aligns with your goal to make the process smoother. Once you select a template or start from scratch, you'll enter the automation editor. Here, you need to set up your triggers. Triggers are the events that will start your automation. For example, you can set a trigger for when someone subscribes to your list, when they purchase a product, or even after they haven't engaged with your emails for a while. After adding your trigger, it's time to customize your automation. You can add actions that follow your trigger. For instance, you might want to send a welcome email immediately after someone subscribes. To do this, you'll drag and drop the Send Message action into the workflow following your trigger. You can choose an existing email or create a new one right there in the editor. Just make sure your message is engaging and relevant to the action that triggered it. Next, you can add conditions to refine how your automation works. Conditions allow you to customize the user experience based on their behavior. For instance, if someone opened your welcome email, they might receive a follow-up email 2 days later, asking if they found the information helpful. To set this up, simply drag in a condition, action, and specify your parameters. Don't forget to add delays as well. Sometimes, you want to space out your emails to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. For example, after your initial welcome email, you could add a delay of 3 days before sending the next email. This timing gives your audience a chance to engage with the content without feeling bombarded. When you're satisfied with your automation sequence, don't forget to save your workflow. And remember, it's always a great idea to test your automation before launching it to your audience. You can do this by running a test with your own email to ensure that everything flows correctly. Now, let's talk about analytics. Once your automation is up and running, you can track its performance. GetResponse provides detailed analytics that can tell you how many recipients opened your emails, clicked on links, and even how many unsubscribed. This information is essential for tweaking your future campaigns and understanding your audience better. Lastly, keep refining your automations over time. Email marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. The most effective campaigns are those that evolve based on feedback and analytics. Every now and then, revisiting your automation sequences will help you enhance their effectiveness and keep your audience engaged. And there you have it. By leveraging email marketing automation in GetResponse, you can efficiently communicate with your audience, build relationships, and ultimately boost your sales. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different triggers, conditions, and messages to see what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more insights and tips on email marketing and other digital marketing strategies. Happy emailing!